Hello folks, Doug with Stacking Investments. What I'm doing part 2 of Welcome to My World and replacing a rotted out kitchen sink drain line. Here's the pipe. This is what happens when you let food, grease, other contaminants, use Drano, acid, or whatever down your cast iron pipes. This is what happens. Okay, and I got it out. 2 pieces. This was from the drop. That was over at the bathtub end. But when I was loosening up the fitting, the pipe was cracked. So I got this piece out, and then that allowed me to pull this out. This, I did break off a piece, but a lot of this was already rotted out and everything. I may have prying it down with getting the concrete off of the top of it, broke some out, but you can see the crack right there. It was just like this right here. And this pipe's just rotted out. Like I said, food, grease, all that's what's in there. Food and grease build up. It just eats away at the pipe. And you know, of course, everybody here puts their hand on the Bible and all that. We don't ever pour grease down the drain. Oh, where'd that come from? I guess the grease fairy came along. So anyways, let me show you what happened here. I did the video yesterday, but after further examination, if you remember, I had the pit started right here, and I started coming back this way looking for a good piece of pipe or a section that was a connector, and I didn't find any, but I literally could stick my finger under that pipe, under that black pipe in that groove, and run all the way across. So I had to have a meeting with the office, with the management, the higher ups, and all that, and we had to come in and tear their kitchen out. Water heater sits back there in the corner. It's an under the counter water heater. The reason they put them under the counter like that is because it's technically 9 square feet that they can add to livable space when renting. But I was able to, I had to jackhammer all the way up to the sink drop. That's what we agreed to. And then I just measured out with that piece out there, cut me 1 single run of pipe, so I have no joints other than the connector right there from the long cast iron sweep. I got the connector there, and then I got the connector at the other end going into the drop. So this is technically fixed now. I'm going to let it sit overnight. I got to get the jackhammer cleaned up and back to the rental place, so I don't have to drop it off in the morning. But this is technically up and running now, so I will monitor it overnight with 3 other apartments running their drains, running their kitchen sinks and everything. I will be able to tell if there's any other leaks or anything else I have to do, and then I will start backfilling it, and then once I got it backfilled, I'll do some concrete. Then I gotta let it set for 24 hours, and then I can start putting the tub back and putting the water heater back so that they can get the kitchen cabinets back in place. But let me tell you, it's not an easy task. This is basically since I don't have to put a new tub in, I'm just putting the same one back in place, which is nasty as that tub is. I hope they send somebody out to clean it. I don't clean it, I just doing what they want me to do. But this is a $7,000 repair. I've technically right now have about 16 hours into it. I've probably got another 5 hours doing it in stages. So yeah, I'm here 3, 4, 5 days working on this, but between doing this, I am doing some other jobs. And like I said, doing this in stages. I'm gonna pack everything up, come back tomorrow, fill it in, do the concrete on top, and then I gotta let that sit for 24 hours before I start putting everything else back in. So it's been a fun project. A lot of money in this. A lot of money doing this kind of stuff. Sometimes it's gross, but you know, when you can make money, this is how I do it. So hope y'all all have an awesome day, and I will see you in another video.